afternoon. Good afternoon mga palangga. Good afternoon, mister.
Hello.
So, mag-clay target kami ngayon. Matagal-tagal na din hindi kami naka-clay target dahil sa lockdown, dahil sa pandemic. Yung temperature natin ngayon is 13 degrees. Mainit yung sikat ng araw, pero it has got a cold breeze, so malamig pa din.
It's because the wind's coming out of the north, that's why. There's in there. Right, we can go and play. We're allowed out again.
Let's go.
Finally.
I'm scared. I don't want to be bruised again
Well,
here.
you need to hold your head tight on your stock. If you lift it off, then that's when it slaps your face.
I know, it's so painful.
It's actually nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice weather, but it's cold outside. We're here. Hindi na siguro ako mag-vlog mga palangga kasi meron kaming kasama and hindi kasi pwedeng i-vlog talaga lahat kasi si YouTube sobrang stricto ni YouTube.
Many hours later.
So ito na mga palangga, tapos na kami. So si Mr. meron pa siyang kausap. Nakikita niyo ba yun? I got a little bruise again. And dito, chinek ko. Meron din akong kaunting pasa, oh. But as what they said, no pain, no gain. Kaya titiisin ko na lang. Masasanay din ako kasi ano din kasi medyo matagal-tagal na din talaga na hindi kami nakalabas para mag-clay target. Kaya yung body ko back to square one sa naman. So, more practice and masasanay din yung katawan ko.
Right, anyway, we'll do one.
Let's go.
Right,
Alright, see ya.
Anyway. Alright, see ya.
Oop.
Fine, that doesn't fall. Quite enjoy that.
Let's go home. You okay, mister?
Yes, Missy. Here's your phone before it falls. Ah!
Let's go. God, it's warm, very
Draw
warm.
your window down a bit and just let a bit of
Bye. We're home.
We're home.
Magkakape lang tayo and papalabasin natin yung mga alaga natin and we'll sit outside. Yan yung snack natin. Tingnan niyo, meron tayong audience.
Sit. Sit.
Did you enjoy your day today?
My afternoon, yes.
Good.
How? It's violanced.
You look red.
Well, I've been in sun. I'm tanned.
You're tan. Okay, I'll give you that.
I'm tanned like a lobster.
What time is it, sweetheart? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock na ngayon ng hapon. So, nandito tayo sa labas. Medyo maginaw-ginaw na yung hangin. Nandito tayo sa labas para mag-trim off ng ating plum tree. Kasi baka this time, yung plum tree natin mamunga. Last year, meron naman siyang bunga, pero isa, dalawa, tatlo lang yung bunga ba. Sobrang tipid niya mamunga. So, i-try namin i-trim down siya. Let's see na lang if mamunga siya ng marami ngayon. Hello, girls! Hi, Phoebe! Pipa! Hi! And si Mr. nandoon.
There they are.
Ito na.
Put your finger in there, just see if they work.
You put your finger in there. Put your finger. Honey, stop it.
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes. You have to watch these because the
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I'm very curious if our grapes have survived. I don't think so it survived. I think patay siya mga palangga. Sayang kasi nilagay ko siya dito sa labas. And okay sana siya pero nag-frost siya and then, huy, bawal. Huy, wag kang makulit. Then nag-frost and then namatay siya. So ito yung plum tree natin. Yan. So kinakatin ni Mr. yung apple just to trim them down.
no, it's just how they make them.
So bibigyan namin sila ng haircut ba. Tapos na kami sa pag-trim down ng plum and apple trees. So ngayon naman maglalakad tayo kasama ng girls and Mr.
I have a job for you, wood to chop.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's my job?
yeah, you get chainsaw out. Girl with a chainsaw.
The girl with a chainsaw.
Could be very, very, very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Would you like to have a go?
No.
Okay.
Smile. I-check natin yung ating palaisdaan. Yung mga daffodil, oh. It looks good. Yan.
Yeah, primrose are out.
Hmm.
We need
Pero yung tubig mga palangga, yung actual pond talaga kailangan,
again, look at it.
yeah, kailangan na namang linisin. Kasi meron na namang mga ganito, oh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag, pero mga weeds ba. Kailangan natin yung kunin. Ito mga sinampay natin. Thank you.
Who are you? Oh,
Your
it's my
wife.
beautiful wife. There you go.
Thank you. So, mag-i-edit lang ako and yun na mga palangga, wala na masyadong ganap, so I'll see you tomorrow. And kailangan ko pang gumawa ng mga dapat gawin dito. And si Mr. pupunta lang siya sa workshop niya para hindi ko alam paano yung gagawin niya pero may gagawin daw siya. So yeah. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So ito yung weather natin ngayon. Sobrang foggy sa labas. Meron akong trabaho ngayon. Good morning, mister!
Morgan. Magandagang maga.
Oh, what? Say it again?
Magandagang maga.
That's it! Okay, let's go! I'm going, sweetheart.
I know you're right.
Come on.
Bye, darling. Take care.
Bye!
Opens the door for my wife. There you go, Chuckles. Car's running, warming inside. Look at that. What a husband you are. Oh, lucky.
I am lucky. Ooh. Antok pa talaga pero kailangang magtrabaho. Ang sakit-sakit ng braso ko. Kasi yun na nga, nag-shooting kami kahapon. Sige, tingnan nyo. Pasa talaga yung inaabot ko. 650. Hoy. Bye. I love you too. sakit-sakit ng ano ko dito, oh. Yung balikat ko and yung pisngi ko. Masakit talaga kasi medyo may pasa siya.
Many hours later.
Nasa bahay na tayo mga palangga and meron tayong Easter egg. Pero ito yung kay Mr. Yan, ito yung kay Mr. at ito yung akin. Ang liit-liit nito, ang cute-cute. Meron kasi silang parang basket ba na puno ng mga itlog na ganito kaliit. Kaya ayun, kumuha ako ng isa. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Special Easter egg.
What's inside? Is it hollow? There's no chicken in there.
No. Let's test see what's inside.
It's probably nothing. What are you doing, sir?
Whoa!
What's inside?
Nothing.
Nothing. I don't like chocolate, sweetheart. That's it, it's gone.
No.
So dito, meron akong itlog, hard-boiled egg. And magpe-prepare tayo ng sandwiches ngayon mga palangga kasi magpipiknik tayo ngayon. Ay, nako naman. So yung itlog, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting mayonnaise, asin, and paminta. Magpipiknik kami pero yung weather mga palangga parang hindi nagko-cooperate kasi mukhang uulan. Pero tuloy pa din yung plano. Naisipan namin magpiknik kasi kahapon kasi maganda yung panahon. So, sabi namin magpiknik tayo tomorrow. Yung panahon ngayon iba. Mukha talaga siyang uulan. Baka yung plano namin mag-picnic, hindi siya yung usual na picnic talaga ba. Baka yung mga sandwiches kainin na lang namin sa loob ng sasakyan. So, lagyan natin ng butter. Yung matitira na sandwiches, babaunin ko siya tomorrow kasi 14 hours ako tomorrow. And then, lalagyan natin ng spring onions. So, yung mga sandwiches natin, variety siya. Para naman, ano ba, masaya yung kain. Then, hihiwain natin. Yan. Ay, naku naman, hindi siya magkasya dito mga palangga. Ay, magkasya, uy. Naku naman, magkasya siya, magkasya. Pero, ano ba yung gagamitin ko na magkasya sila lahat? Yung pangalawang sandwich, meron akong tuna dito. So, lalagyan ko siya ng mayonnaise. Kaunti lang. Lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting malt vinegar. And kaunting paminta. So, lalagyan natin ng butter. Lalagay natin ito. Maglalagay tayo ng kaunting spring onion. Pang design lang naman to. And tulad kanina, hihiwain natin sa gitna. And voila! Ito na yung tuna sandwich natin. Yung pangatlong klase ng sandwich natin is cheese sandwich. And yung pang-apat is cheese and onion. Mix lang natin until mag-combine sila. Cheese. Sobrang kaunting onion lang yung ilalagay ko. So ngayon naman, mag-move on tayo sa cheese and onion cocktail. So, ito yung gamit ko. Sweet onion. Tutuhugin lang natin sila. Oh, ooh. Parang ayaw mapabukas, ha? Ay, there you go. Yan sila mga palangga. And itong dalawa naman, lalagyan natin ng ham. Yan. So, ito sila. Yan. So, ito na yung sandwiches natin. So, yan. So, ready na po tayo. So, we're good to go. Ito na yung baon natin. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta, but magdadrive lang kami and then we park somewhere and then eat our sandwiches. We're going to Aldi first because we're gonna pick some bits and bobs.
What's in bobs?
I don't know. We'll see what they got in Aldi.
Where's my glasses from?
I don't know. So, dadaan kami sa Aldi para bumili siguro ng dessert. We'll see kung ano yung dessert nila doon. Pero kung walang dessert na magustuhan namin, eh, hindi na lang kami bibili. Close pala yung Aldi kasi Easter ngayon. Oh, well,
Green
sweetheart.
lights on, ready to go in. So I just noticed they got a light system on there.
I know. Well, anyway.
Well.
We'll have our pudding when we get home. Yeah?
Yeah, I didn't need a spoon.
We don't need a spoon kasi nakalimutan ko rin kasi magdala ng spoon. That's nice.
Daffodils.
That's a big property there, mga palangga, privately owned. Do you think that bakery is open?
Don't know, darling.
I can have a... Yes, the sun is out.
Hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray. We're here. So this is our view. And this is my best view.
Right.
So, dito lang kami. Magtingin-tingin. Yes.
1 hour later.
Naglakad kami kanina doon. Sobrang hangin mga palangga and maginaw. Mostly sa mga tindahan, close sila. Ang open lang is yung Londis na shop. So, bumili kami ng, of course, dahil nakita ni Mr.
Whoa!
Toffee crisp, orange juice, and dalawang bar ng honeycomb crunch and itong caramel shortcake for our pudding. Yan lang.
Pudding.
It's warm inside here.
Well, it's warmer. I wouldn't say
Warmer.
it's warm.
It makes a difference though to be in here.
Yeah, keep going, yeah.
You see?
So strong. What was checking for? Is it proper good stuff? Is it real genuine?
It's proper orange. It's good that.
We're having a picnic.
Picnic inside the car.
Too cold out.
So, nakita niyo na yung baon natin.
Banquet.
Ayan.
That's my lunchbox. So what are you having?
Are you not gonna share?
I'll share. Yeah, I'll share. Just for you, I'll share.
Right, which one?
Oh, what's in them?
I don't know. Just try them. Each.
What's this?
I think this is a ham. Smoked ham. Yeah. Actually, that's nice.
It has a name, doesn't it? What do you call it?
I don't know. Cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion. How come I don't get sandwiches like this at home?
Do you want a sandwich like that?
Very good, darling.
You like it?
They put mayo in it or something.
A little bit of mayo, a little bit of onion, and that's it.
Good.
So this is our tea. Good. Stop it.
What's this?
Mm,
So I lost some.
it's broke.
Oh,
It's broken.
so you got to go like this. So you can go like this.
Just be careful. What's the sweet onion taste like?
It's not very sweet actually, it's quite good.
Put that in there. No.
No, we'll put them in there. And then we can have them as toothpicks. Are these all the same? No, that's
No.
a different one.
There's a different one. Stop that. The onion is good.
That's good as well. What's next flavour? What's this one? Don't know, can't tell. I quite like these buns.
It's a tuna.
Oh, tuna. Tuna.
You like it?
Quite juicy.
I put vinegar on it.
Yeah, you need to. It's like when you have that tinned salmon. You should always put a bit of vinegar in it. Just gives it that little bit of sharpness. It's just nice. Not many people's walking about now, but yeah, there's lots of cars.
It's cold outside, you see?
But where are they all hiding?
They're probably living in here, to be fair. You think?
Don't know.
The rest is egg and cheese. Pure cheese only. Whatever you fancy.
What are them?
With that combine of all three.
Okay. Quite like this.
Very good.
Very skinny.
I like this one though.
Yeah. So these are what? Cheese?
That's pure cheese.
What happened to onion?
It's just a variety. That's the idea.
Variety is the spice of life. Okay, I'll believe you.
Gosh, I'm full now.
You're doing a good job here, darling. Very good.
You like it?
These are good though, these buns, aren't they?
The buns is good as well, really. Really good. Really, really good. It's not boring. I'm looking forward for this, really. Oh no! It's broken. So this bun is, they call it brioche bun. Brioche, it's Spanish. No, it's French.
Is it?
I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but
Somebody will correct you anyway.
yeah. So that's why I'm looking forward to try this.
It's sweet.
I have no idea, but he said it's good. It's normally you need to put a burger on it, but because we're not going for a barbecue, so I just put salami and I don't know the other bits.
Not fishing for flatfish down there, not.
It's sweet.
Quite
It's a
like
sweet bun. And unfortunately, they don't go together with the meat because they are very sweet.
It'd be better putting a jam on it.
Yeah, it is very eggy.
Very good. Oi.
The cheese are breaking up.
I don't like the onion and grape together.
Not.
No.
I think I like it.
Yeah. Right, this cheese. Oh,
No,
it's egg.
Egg.
Oh, we'll be blowing later with this one. What's green bit?
Spring onions.
No, okay.
Are you not gonna try the brioche?
No.
Oh no, he's not gonna try the brioche
I
bun.
don't like sweet bread.
It is sweet.
Like that bread you have in Philippines, it's sweet, isn't it?
Just smelling at it. You can smell egg. Just smell it, please. Yeah?
No. Yeah. Yeah, something else you can smell. It's sweet in it, though.
Yeah, there's a sweetness. I did not realize. This is my first time as well. I was just curious what's brioche bun. So today is our cheat day.
Is that?
Yeah. I don't know if this is worth it though. It's cheap, but we'll try. That's it. So meron tayong variety of egg sandwich, cheese and onion, tuna sandwich, and cheese. And meron tayo ditong brioche bun na merong salami and the rest of the stuff, ham. Pero hindi namin nagustuhan kasi sweet siya. Which is your favorite, sweetheart?
Cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion.
Tuna.
Yeah.
Cheese.
And then egg.
Egg.
Mine is cheese and onion and then tuna.
I'm full now.
You're full. Okay.
Is it?
Can I have a bite? Can I have a bite, please?
Just let me get it out first.
Okay. Kay Mr. is caramel shortcake.
Yeah?
That's better.
Well, no. That's why I chose it. That's 30-minute one if it tide coming in. Start coming, but it's only low, it'll not come fast. It's about 20 minutes, I think.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
I think it's 30 minutes.
Nagwa-warning sila para ma-aware yung mga tao na yung tide, it's coming in.
In another 30 minutes you'll see.
So, yung mga tao na nasa seaside, maka-evacuate sila ba?
That's a little bit on it there, look.
It sounds like it's having a war.
War siren. It's a bit like a war siren, basically.